Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel guys. So today's video is very emotional for me and very close to my heart. It's about my room. So in today's video I'm gonna show you how my room used to look before. Why I said used to look before, because this doesn't look the same as it did in past, because my brother is going to get married soon and I have to give this room to him and my bhabhi, and I will shift downstairs. So I'm so damn attached to my room. Like I have spent almost 15 to 16 years here, and this room has seen everything, like every beat of my life, all the happy moments, every terrible nights, all the sad moments I had in my life. So I am very emotional when it comes to my room, and I don't know. I just wanted to make this lifetime memory, so I just thought of filming a video. Please don't expect anything fancy decor and everything. It's just a normal middle class Indian girl room, and this is how I always kept it. Like I did change it here and there, but it's almost the same for years now. And now it has completely changed because my brother's all things have been kept here, and my things I'm gradually shifting it down. So yeah, if you are interested in watching this video, then please keep on watching, and if you like such kind of video, please make sure to like this video and share this with your friends and family. Please never forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. So yeah, please don't show any hate, because it's very personal and very emotional topic for me to talk about. Yeah, I just made it just for my memory, so whenever I will be feeling like watching it, I can always turn on my YouTube channel and watch it. So yes, here we go.